Hi everybody, today is the day I got to become LinkedIn top voice and also got the official blue badge on my LinkedIn, and I'm going to tell you how you can get the top voice badge and how you can become a top voice, the official top voice on LinkedIn. It's just not about me, my friend Jerry Rituparna and a few more people have got this recognition today. And also my mentee, I mentored her, Aarti. She also got this badge. I'm gonna tell you and help you step by step how you can get yourself ready to become an official LinkedIn top voice. But let me tell you one more thing, that it's not a magic thing. Like I'll tell you and then you'll do it and then you'll say, no Shraddha, I didn't get my top voice. Hold on. LinkedIn top voice is not a thing that you can achieve it in a few days or a few months. It took us, not only me, it took us almost more than years to get that badge, get that honor, get that recognition from LinkedIn. So it's not just like anything, but it takes a lot of hard work, so you earn it. All right, you cannot apply for this particular top voice badge. You cannot even become eligible by following some sort of things, but here is something that makes it possible for you to get that top voice badge possibilities. Okay, so I want to be very quick in telling you, and I'm recording this video very immediately. Yesterday when I got this notification, I literally cried a lot because this was much awaited thing, and I knew that I was owning that, only it was not appearing, but yeah, it's right here. And very immediately today I am shooting up this video for you guys so that I can tell you with the exact excitement and happiness and tell you how all my hard work that literally I have put in to get that particular badge. So I have earned it. To earn that badge, you need to just follow 5 steps, and this is not something that you can expect within a month. So please be patient, and if you are not a patient one, I will let you know that please drop this video. This is not for you if you cannot spend some more time. See, understand, LinkedIn will give you this recognition. LinkedIn will make you their official influencer only when you are making sense, number 1, making impact, number 2, and the third one is most important, you are active on LinkedIn. Here one extra tip is for you is just be yourself. All right, now I'll tell you the 5 things that I have been doing for years so far, and my other fellow creators, those who also got this recognition, have been doing so far. Number 1, they have built their personal brand. So you also have to build your personal brand. Now while building personal brand, share content, but at the same time make sure that you are sharing original content that comes from your knowledge, nobody else's content you're sharing. All right, when you share content that is of your knowledge purely, it is definitely going to make an impact because you're sharing your own stuff. All right, now while building brand, stick to one particular niche. This is super important. I see many people, they say like, okay, I'm active on LinkedIn, I'm sharing this and that, but the major mistake you and others are doing is not sticking to a particular niche. See, if you want yourself to be perceived right, you have to talk constantly on certain topics that comes under a niche. Okay, so make sure that you stick to your niche. And while building personal brand, people make this one biggest mistake, is that they don't really consider commenting on others' post. They don't consider connecting with the right type of people. I mean, I know people do connect with a lot of people on LinkedIn because they want to get that 500 plus number written on their LinkedIn profile, which is wrong. What you need to do is you have to connect with the right type of people. Okay, with that you can definitely 100% get so many possibilities. So make sure that you are sharing the right stuff and connecting with the right people and dropping comments as well. Number 1 is done. Number 2, you have to have an optimized LinkedIn profile. Now you'll say, Shraddha, it's been so much you have been talking about having LinkedIn optimized profile, but it is what it is. The truth is, when you have a LinkedIn profile, you have to have it an optimized one. When you have an optimized LinkedIn profile, it will be really helpful to others to understand who you are, what you do, how you can help them, and what you have to offer them, right? These 4 questions must be answered so that they can actually understand. Now for algorithm, you have to optimize your LinkedIn profile for algorithm as well. So make sure that you are targeting the right keywords and putting it on your headline, summary, experience section, so that it stands out right. When somebody is looking for a freelancer as a graphic designer, graphic designing freelancer, your profile, in case if you are a graphic designer, your profile must appear. And how it will appear? When you use these keywords in your headline, summary, experience, and so on. That's all. Number 3 step. To get a LinkedIn Top Voice badge, you need to make sure that you are understanding your audience pain points and struggles. I am talking about LinkedIn, I am talking about branding, I am talking about content creation and all. I know what people go through. I know what are the pain points and struggle pointers of freelancers, entrepreneurs, organizations. So I keep talking about those things in my post. So if you have a question that, Shraddha, what should I post on my LinkedIn? That's the answer. Make sure that you understand their mind, what they are going through. And when you know that, it's simple. That's your content. Keep talking about it. And make sure that you are becoming very much authentic. Again, you're sharing your knowledge. Now, number 4. Number 4 is become authentic and remain consistent. That is super important. Now, you say, okay, I can be constant, but let me tell you, it's not about constant for a while. It's for long term. I told you that I and my other people have got this recognition, have got earned the Top Voice badge of LinkedIn in 2024 because we were active for years. So to maintain that particular thing, make sure that you are constant on LinkedIn. You're dropping at least 3 posts per week on LinkedIn that is coming from your original knowledge, and that's about it. You have to do it what it is, okay? Now moving forward, build your authentic voice. When I say share content, remain consistent, make sure that you are authentic. That means you are sharing the real stuff. Alright, that is very much important. Authenticity is important. Otherwise, if you are copying someone else's content, people are very smart and LinkedIn algorithm more smart than other. Simple as that. Now moving forward for the final 5th step that I would definitely urge you to follow. Have patience. I know you must be thinking, Shraddha, this is ridiculous. I have to say this, but I knew that I am adding worth to this platform. I am helping a lot many people. I have helped with so many people, thousands of people with my free content, that is premium even. I have done a lot of help. So help others in taking their career up. And when you help others, that help comes to you by automatic, obvious reasons, So make sure that you have patience. If you have patience, you will consistently perform on your LinkedIn profile, and with that, it will be really, really easy journey that you will enjoy. If you start today that, okay, I want to be a top voice, and I will start shooting content for some time, and then you will fed up. Sometimes you may burn out as well, that okay, I'm not getting anything, I don't want to stop it up. That's why I'm saying have patience. It's a process of years. It is earned in years, not very immediately. LinkedIn is a platform that tests your consistency, your knowledge, your authenticity, your credibility. LinkedIn is a very easy platform to grow in 2024. Go build their brand. Reach out to me if you want some help. I offer mentorship. I offer definitely the service part as well. So make sure that you take help, but get started on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the best platform. I have been serving to 8 countries till today, and this have all been possible because of LinkedIn. And I'm very much grateful for LinkedIn, to the LinkedIn editorial team, LinkedIn news editors, and everybody who have been there for me in this journey. I really want to thank you all, and I'm really happy that I have earned the top voice badge and I got that blue badge on my name next to it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that I can be helping you more via a lot of content about LinkedIn, branding and lead generation B2B. That's all. Meet me soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much for the LinkedIn Top Voice. Bye.